Hi! In front of me is Infinix Note 30 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, you need to access Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in Magic Fluids and download this free app from this developer. When it's ready, open it, and to mute the music right away, tap on the bottom left corner. Now select those three lines at the bottom right one. Click on Set as Live Wallpaper and tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Then click on I accept in First Things First pop-up and adjust all of those options however you want to. You can also click on Presets at the top left corner. Then select one of the available ones and click on the best one for you. Following that, select Yes in the pop-up and tap on the back button. Then select the same three lines, click on Set as Live Wallpaper and hit Set Wallpaper at the bottom. Lastly, decide where you wish to apply it, on home screen or home screen and lock screen. I will go with home screen only, so when I tap and go back, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!